ट्रेडर्स कंट्रोल फीचर है, जहाँ पे आपको आपके जो ट्रेड्स होते हैं वो आपके ट्रेड बडीज ट्रैक कर सकते हैं। देयर इज अ किल स्विच ऑप्शन ऑन द ऐप, जहाँ पे आप अपने जो है लॉसेस कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। नॉट जस्ट दैट, अगर आप धन ऐप यूज करते हैं एंड वहाँ का अगर आप न्यूज सेक्शन चेक करेंगे, सो वहाँ पे यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ न्यूज, जनरली, एंड न्यूज फ्रॉम दैट आर एक्चुअली इम्पैक्टिंग योर पोर्टफोलियो, and if those news are good or bad. So this is all controlled and powered by AI. So this is where it helps you actually, understand that whatever the news is it really for you or not for you, and what kind of decisions you should make basis on those news, right? And गिविंग दैट ऑल ऑफ आर प्लेटफॉर्म्स, अगर आप स्कैनेक्स से भी ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, आप ऑप्शन ट्रेडर से ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, आप ग्रीन धन लोगो एप्लीकेशन से ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, एवरी ऑल ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म्स आर इन सिंक विद ईच अदर. यू कैन लिटरली सी योर पोर्टफोलियो ऑन ऑल द प्लेटफॉर्म्स. So everything is in real time, okay, so that you can always stay in control. Moving on, we have got a good news. This is something that we have launched last month, but we continue to, we are continuing it this month also, and we are going to have this forever for the clients, and we wish to make even better for you all. So this is about MTF Pay Later. Okay. uh, पे लेटर मैं ब्रीफली आपको बता देती हूँ दैट वेयर एमटीएफ कम्स इनटू द पिक्चर. लेट्स से गिवन द करंट मार्केट कंडीशंस, बिकॉज वो भी कुछ इस सिंक में है कि मार्केट कंडीशंस आर वेरी डाउन. ओके, एंड दिस इज अपॉर्चुनिटी जहाँ पे आपको काफी सारे स्टॉक्स जो है बहुत चीपेस्ट कॉस्ट में मिलते हैं, जहाँ पे इतना बड़ा करेक्शन हो जाता है. एंड करेंटली इफ इट्स अ सिनेरियो कि आपके पास फंड्स की कमी है या फिर आपके पास लिमिटेड फंड्स है, तो क्या उसके ऊपर आपको लीवरेज मिल सकता है क्या? या फिर अगर आपको कम फंड्स में ज्यादा स्टॉक्स खरीदने हैं, तो उसके लिए जनरली आप क्या करेंगे, आप आपके फंड्स लेने के लिए कहीं से यूल बोरो मनी और यूल आस्क फॉर अ लोन. ओके, सो इन दिस केस व्हाट हैपेंस इज बेसिकली योर ब्रोकर इज गिविंग यू फंड्स. ओके, सो धन आपको यहाँ पे फंड्स देगा. ओके, ये हम समझेंगे कि कितना परसेंट आपको रखना है, कितना परसेंट आपका ब्रोकर फंड करेगा. बट जैसे लोन आपको इंटरेस्ट रेट्स के साथ आते हैं, आप किसी से पैसे बोरो करेंगे तो वो भी उस पे ब्याज लेते हैं, राइट? सो ये भी कुछ एक इंटरेस्ट रेट्स के साथ आता है, बट इसके कॉम्पिटिटिव रेट्स से हमने इसको काफी रिड्यूस कर दिया है, एंड मेकिंग इट इफेक्टिव फॉर स्मॉल ट्रेडर्स. ओके, सो मूविंग ऑन, ये करंटली आपकी धन ऐप पे आपको दिख जाएगा. ओके, इफ यू ओपन योर धन ऐप, आप कोई भी स्टॉक ओपन करेंगे, वहां पे आपको ऐसे टैग दिख जाएगा दैट दिस स्टॉक में आपको लीवरेज एमटीएफ यानी मार्जिन ट्रेडिंग फैसिलिटी, यानी आपको मार्जिन मिलता है फ्रॉम योर ब्रोकर्स. ओके, सो दिस इज अ फैसिलिटी. ओके, एंड ये बताता है दैट दिस स्टॉक हैज अ फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल, एंड इट इज गिविंग यू 4x लीवरेज, विच मीन्स दैट अगर आपके पास 100 रुपीज के स्टॉक आपको लेने हैं, तो आपको सिर्फ 25 रुपीज पे करने हैं, एंड 4x into 4 आप करेंगे तो उतना आपका ब्रोकर आपको फंड करेंगे. सो ये आप मोबाइल आपके मोबाइल ऐप स्क्रीन पे आपको दिखेगा. आई क्विकली शो यू ऑन द स्क्रीन ऑल्सो, एक 5 मिनट में. ओके, सो इफ यू सी यहाँ पे जैसे ऑर्डर विंडो ओपन होती है, देर इज अ ट्रेडिंग ऑप्शन, देर इज अ पे लेटर ऑप्शन, देर इज अ इन्वेस्टिंग ऑप्शन. सो ट्रेडिंग ऑप्शन you choose when you want to do a intraday trading. You choose pay later when you have to do MTF trade, यानी आपको लीवरेज लेना है. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि you're saving 1029 rupees, and आपको margin required is only 245 rupees per stock. Okay, there's a 4x leverage on this particular stock. Okay, versus अगर आप investing करते हैं, तो आपको पूरा का पूरा पूरा margin यहाँ पे रखना पड़ेगा. Okay, and that is 1229 basically. Okay, and if you actually see, if you click here on the fund estimator, and if you actually see, this gives you a breakdown of the cost. ये भी हम समझेंगे on the screen. uh, Sorry, it's a voice issue. Please, okay. Speak in English. Okay, okay. Sorry, I just took some feedbacks from the chat box.
नो प्रॉब्लम मैडम, कंटिन्यू कीजिए।
Continue now. Okay. ठीक है, तो
कंटिन्यू कीजिए, कर देंगे उनको।
yeah, so we'll quickly understand this very practically on Dhan platform only. Okay, I'm just giving you a brief of what has changed on the platform. Okay. Okay. So this is basically the major announcement. I'll need all of your attention on this part. Majorly is basically जब आपको लीवरेज मिलता है तो आप कहेंगे कि मुझे पैसे चाहिए, तो आपको कितने पैसे चाहिए, राइट? कि आप कितना पैसा बोरो करना चाहते हैं, तो आप कहेंगे आई नीड दीज मेनी फंड्स, आई नीड दैट मेनी फंड्स. Okay, so we have clearly broken this down for small, for all kinds of traders. Okay, so anybody who needs funds of up to 500 rupees, we are not charging any interest rates. Okay, but anybody who wants a fund up to 5 lakh rupees, we are charging 12.49%, which on a monthly basis is 1.04%, and on daily basis is 0.034%. Okay. If you say that no, I want more funds up to 10 lakhs, the interest rate is 13.49%, and on a daily basis it goes around 0.04%. Okay. You say that you need, you are a big volume trader, you want a 25 lakh, up to 25 lakhs. 14.49% is your annual interest, which brings it down to 0.042%, and up to 50 lakhs, so 15.49%, which is 0.043%. Okay. Now there are two major changes. Ek, the interest rates before this February were 16% फ्लैट फॉर एवरीबडी. ओके, यानी आपका 0.043% का इंटरेस्ट ऑलमोस्ट आपको डेली लगता था. एंड डेली मीन्स इन दैट इंक्लूड्स योर नॉन ट्रेडिंग डेज. ओके, बट नाउ द चेंज इज दैट 16% सभी को नहीं लगेगा. 16% यानी 15.49% मैक्सिमम फंडिंग पे लगेगी, लेकिन अगर किसी को कम फंड्स चाहिए तो वी हैव reduced the rates to 12.49%. Okay. Second biggest change is we used to give funds up to 25 lakhs till Feb, okay, which we have increased to 50 lakhs of funds. Okay. So these are two major changes that have happened. If you actually put this into an example, okay, and let's just check this out, okay. If you actually put this in example, that with MTF, let's say आपको 1,000 rupees का कोई stock if you have to buy, and with MTF you only need 25% of the capital, so it will cost you around 250 rupees. Let's say you're holding a 100 quantity for 90 days of period. Okay, we are considering this as short term investing. Okay, at an interest rate of 0.043%. Okay, by end of 90 days, okay, your interest amount would be 2295. ओके, दिस इज अ कैलकुलेटेड इंटरेस्ट रेट, कि आपका जितना आपने लीवरेज लिया है उसके सामने आपका इंटरेस्ट रेट इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई, ओके, दिस इज द अमाउंट दैट यू एंड अप पेइंग एज अ इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट. प्लस यू हैव ब्रोकरेज कॉस्ट, प्लस यू हैव अदर गवर्नमेंट चार्जेस. ओके, एंड always remember that ये this margin, if your position gets into a profitable position, आपको प्रॉफिट होगा. एंड प्रॉफिट उस मार्जिन के हिसाब से होगा, लाइक अ कंप्लीट मार्जिन, यानी 1 लाख के स्टॉक पे होगा, लेकिन लॉस भी होगा तो उसी हिसाब से होगा. सो दिस इज अ रिस्की बेट ऑल्सो. सो इट नीड्स टू हैव अ कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क, ओके, एंड अ प्रॉपर रिसर्च बिफोर taking this leverage. Otherwise, you will end up bearing that loss plus all of the other charges as well. Okay, so इसको थोड़े और बेटर एग्जाम्पल में देखते क्विकली. ओके, दैट अगर आपके पास 1,000 रुपए का स्टॉक है, इफ यू हैव 1,000 रुपीज स्टॉक, एंड लेट्स से इफ यू आर taking funds in different slabs. Over here you can see a slab of 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 25 and 50. Okay, and assuming the kinds of funds you have, this is the quantity that you are buying in. Okay, this is the total value. Okay, funded by Dhan is a 75% funds. Okay, you see here. And let's say your 1,000 rupees stock sells at 1,400 rupees. Okay, the sell value is this, the gross profit is this much. Okay, and you have holded that for 10 days. Okay, now the interest rates is as per the slabs it's charged. Okay, 12.49, 13.49, 14.49, and 15.49. You see the net profit here, but have a look at returns on investment part. Okay, in first case it's 159%, other case is 158.89, 158.80, and 158.74. Okay, so end of the day, the returns of investments literally remains similar in all the cases of funds. Okay, so this is not really impacting what slab you are getting into, or your what kind of amounts you are raising. But end of the day, if you have conviction on your stock that you are buying, if you know that it is going to have a momentum basis on your research, okay, and basis that you take a leverage, you'll probably end up making, similar returns of investment. Okay, so the best is yet to come. Let's quickly look this, have a look about this on uh, directly on the screen. I'll just quickly share the screen. Okay, I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, visible.
It's visible, no? Okay, thanks. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
cool. So we are on the Dhan dashboard. Okay, whoever doesn't has a Dhan account, please have a look. This is how the dashboard looks like. So this is briefly, I'm not taking you through the walkthrough. Okay, but I'll quickly show you. Let's say if I go here, okay, and I'll just randomly picking any stock here. Okay.
थोड़ा लार्ज कैप में लीजिए मैम.
हाँ, मैं वही वही Okay, so this is how it looks like on your web screen right now. Okay, there are some updates जो अभी भी UI लेवल पे लाइव नहीं गए हैं, so visibly front end पे आपको शायद नहीं दिखेगा. ये आपके मोबाइल ऐप पे लाइव है. The MTF tag I was saying वो आपके मोबाइल ऐप पे लाइव है. Okay, web पे it takes little time, but it will get updated. Backend में it is clear and live up and ready, working right now from past 1 month. Okay, so what you see here is the stock is trading at 1685, and right now we are on a DF tab. Okay, you see that with MTF you're getting the stock at 444.20 approximate. Okay, and you're getting about 4.1x leverage on this. Okay, so let's say if I make this, so right now if I put one quantity, you can actually see on fund estimator the interest rate charged is 0.03422%. Okay, let's say I make this 1,000 quantity. Okay, and I come here and I see the interest rate has changed by 0.0397%. Okay, I make this a 5,000 quantity. Yeah. You can see the interest rate has changed to 0.045%. Okay, so basis आप जितने funds आप you'll take from the broker, the interest rate is automatically charged here. Okay, you see the other charges break up before placing an order. Okay, so this estimator will clearly give you an estimate that your net break even point is 1689, which means that considering all the charges, the stock that you're buying at 1685 is actually literally costing you 1689. So basis that आपका risk reward आप maintain कर लीजिए. Okay, and that is how you'll be able to do it. Versus if I go to investing, I'll need how much? 84 lakhs. But with MTF, how much I'll need is 20 lakhs, which is 25%, like it's less than 25% actually. Okay, so that is how it goes on the screen. Okay, if you wish to like have do a proper calculation before even opening an order screen, I'll show you how you can do that as well. Oh, 1 second. This is the website. Basically dhan.co is the website. You go here, click on margin trading facility. Okay, this is the web page you'll land at. Okay, and these are the slab rates that we have already discussed. I'll not get into details now. This is basically the breakup and the calculation of everything literally before you put in stock here. Okay, and this thing here, calculate now, is a calculator that will actually help you understanding how much money to put in and what is the target that you're looking at and how much you'll make, how much the cost will be. If you wish to do a end-to-end calculation, this is something that will help you out. Okay, let's say we put some random So this stock is giving me 2x of leverage. Let's take something else. Okay, so this particular stock is currently trading at 648. I have a target of, let's say, 712. 100 quantities, 10 days. Okay, you can see the amount of money that is funded by Dhan is 4.1%. Okay, considering this selling price, this is the profit that I'll make. And after this, this is basically the interest cost of 10 days, and these are the transaction cost. Okay, if I hold it for more than 10 days, let's say 30 days, okay, my interest rate increases, but my transaction charges will not change. Okay, so, and if I increase the quantity, this simply changes the game. Okay, and on the right side, you will be able to see all of the charges that are, you know, getting charged before you make that order. Okay, so this is something that will basically help you before actually getting into the trade, to calculate the risk. Okay, if you actually read this, you will find all of answers to all of the questions. Okay, interest rate I have explained already. So till settlement, we don't charge any interest rate. So if you have any open margin position and you're closing it before settlement, there will be no interest rates charged. Okay. But after that, 0.034% is the minimum basis the slab that you fall in, this slab. Okay, 0.034% per day. Okay. You have to pledge your stocks between 4 to 9 p.m. You will get notifications from Dhan app, you'll get email communications. Okay, we are also in a process to automate these very soon, so this will be live by मार्च एंड और समथिंग. सो आपको वो भी करने प्लेजिंग करने की जरूरत ही नहीं होगी, ये ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दैट इज वन. सेकंड इज बेसिकली कि आप आपके एमटीएफ पोजीशंस को है, आप उनको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. सो बेसिकली इफ यू विश टू कन्वर्ट योर इंट्राडे पोजीशन टू टू अ डिलीवरी पोजीशन यूजिंग एमटीएफ, आप वो कर सकते हो. आपकी कोई ऑलरेडी कोई स्टॉक आपके पोर्टफोलियो में है और उसमें आपको लेट्स से बिकॉज मार्केट्स आर डाउन, आपको उसमें और क्वांटिटीज ऐड करके उसको एवरेज आउट करना है. कैन यू यूज मार्जिन ओवर देयर? यस, यू कैन यूज इट. ओके, आप एक्स्ट्रा क्वांटिटीज इन एमटीएफ आप बाय कर लीजिए. ओके, एंड देन जो भी होगा आपका टोटल प्राइस एवरेज हो जाएगा उसमें. ओके, सो that is how it is. And you can always place forever orders, forever OCO orders. So before, while placing the order, you can put the stop loss and put the target and just close it. Okay, so that you don't end up losing all the money, or you don't miss an opportunity of booking the profits. Okay, so you can always place this. And with this, आपको आप जो है with margin आप इसे unlimited period of time तक hold कर सकते हो. Okay, so there's no limit of how much can you hold it. You can hold it for unlimited time. And if you wish, the last point, very important, if you wish to use to pledge your portfolio, okay, and use that money to make an MTF position, so can you do it? Yes, you can do it. I'll quickly show you one example. Let's say I'm here and my portfolio, I'm getting a margin on my pledge on my portfolio is 133. Okay, 1,33,000. Okay, I take this margin, it comes into my margin available side. Okay, and can I use this money to make an MTF position? I can use this money, definitely I can use this. But इसमें ये होगा that you will have interest rates on this margin money that you have already borrowed. Okay, and आपको interest rate उसमें भी लगेगा जब आप उससे MTF position बनाएंगे. Okay, so it will have lot of transaction charges उसमें, but you will be able to use the money. Okay, uh, so yeah, and one last thing I'll just quickly show you. This has just gone live 2 days back, and it's kind of interesting thing. So I'll just okay, if I go here on Insight session, this is basically a ScanX platform, the one I was talking about. I'll quickly give you a brief that how this scanner is actually screener is actually helping you. Okay, you go to screeners. And you see a lot of screeners already available here. Okay, these are the fundamental screeners. These are some pre-made. You can definitely make your own. Okay, and find out long-term stocks here using your technical screeners, indicators, basis, candlestick basis. Okay, your price volumes. You can choose this, make your own, filter the stocks, and take the decisions. Like research and take the decisions. If not anything of that sort, you can even create your own. So if you click here and see, you see a lot of filters here, so there's no requirement of putting the logics, writing down the codes and anything. Just pick any of these, and if you feel that these are not enough, this is what these are all the options that we make available for you. Okay, so you can just choose, select, deselect however you want, and make your own screener, and even share it with your community or your family members, or people in your friends circle, all of that. Not just that, we have a news section where which I was talking about. It's not just here, but it is also there on the app. You see, these are the news and the kind of expressions that you see on the right side. This basically tells that it's a positive or a negative news. Okay, and on there's also filter on Dhan app. If you see on the news that do you want to see this for the stocks in your portfolio, so you can filter that out. Okay, companies and portfolios, over here it's also there. Okay, so the companies in my portfolio, are there any good news here? Are there any bad news here? And if I wish to take any decision from here, I can even buy and sell it from here. Okay. If I go to create, you can create your own screener. These are basically some of the live, screener that run during market hours. Okay. Right now they are not, because markets are closed. And if you actually go to insight section here, okay, you see a heat map. This is basically Nifty 50 today. There are multiple indexes here. You can filter those out, check what FIIs and DIIs have done, are going to do, how they look like, how the data looks like. You'll see it here. How many companies are filing, any company updates that you have. These are so real time that they are automatically getting updated here. Okay, directly. Okay, and with that, there are other lot of insights, but right now we'll talk about specifically MTF insight. Okay, so MTF is something, I'll give you a general statistics कि जब से the last regulations have come in November. Okay, where the weekly expiries have gone and the lot size have also increased. A lot of people have started moving to equity intraday trading and MTF trading and commodity trading. Okay, so if you actually go and look at the MTF data, MTF book, and the numbers 2 months before and 2 months now later, there is a huge difference now. Okay, and where people are actually investing, where which of the companies are there is MTF buying position. So this is basically a data for you which is available on Dhan absolutely for free to use. You just need to have a Dhan account, which is also free of cost. We also don't charge AMC here. Okay, so just download the app, open your account. We will never ask you any money. If we only charge when you make a trade on the platform. Okay, and just use these platforms, access all the data, and you see all of these, and towards the right side you'll be able to see that how much margin you're actually getting on the particular stock. Okay, so this is the data you get here. You actually open this, I'll give you more insights here. See, when I open this has a detailed information of what is happening with the company, what is the recently happening and what is going to happen. And so there is this analyst rating by Refinitiv, where you can see that what people are saying about the stock, what are the recent news that are here. So this is like a package for you for that particular stock. You don't have to go up to 100 pages, read about it, and get a confused and anything, nothing of that sort. Just read about this over here, and you'll be able to have all the information about the company. Okay, there are any announcements that are happening, company filings to exchanges, any new news, what is the sentiment. You'll be able to see literally everything. Okay, so this is one of the things that went live just 2 days back, and I'm sure this is going to help people, and this will definitely help you in your trading journey. So go ahead and check this out, and let us know your feedback on this. So that was more all about MTF. We are now open to take questions. So if you have any questions, just put them in the chat box. We'll pick one by one from there. Okay. Okay, Daniel, are you here? Are you able to hear me? Okay, so we have majorly covered MTF as a topic here, and we have also discussed interest rates. So we'll be open to take Q&As, and would like to hear from you, Daniel. Over to you.
यस मैम, आई एम फेसिंग सम नेटवर्क इश्यू इसलिए डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया एक बार।
No problem, no problem.
बट दो डिवाइस में मैं सुना रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। एक्चुअली मैं आउट ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट है अभी।
Okay, okay, okay.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अच्छा मैम, जो स्कैनएक्स में मल्टीपल इंडिकेटर्स में स्कैन करने के लिए, सेव करने के लिए ऑप्शन नहीं है मैडम, थोड़ा ऐड कीजिए ना उसमें, स्कैनएक्स में।
ओके, हाँ हाँ, ठीक है। सो देखिए, ये भी हमने अभी 3 मंथ्स पहले ही हमने बिल्ड किया था। हमारा बेसिकली आइडिया था कि ये एकदम सिंपलेस्ट स्कैनर स्क्रीनर हम बनाए, राइट? तो
जी।
दिस इज ऑन लाइक फ्यू ऑफ द इनिशियल स्टेजेस। हम इसे ऑब्वियसली एडवांस करेंगे। हम और भी इसमें डेटा और इंसाइट्स हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, थोड़ी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटीज एंड डायनामिक्स ऐड करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं। बट आई जस्ट टेक दिस फीडबैक एंड आई पास इट ऑन टू द प्रोडक्ट टीम, एंड वो श्योरली आपको नेक्स्ट कुछ अपडेट्स में आपको ये मिल जाएंगे।
जी థ్యాంక్ యూ। ఎవరికైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే దయచేసి అడగొచ్చు, చాట్ బాక్స్లో నన్ను అడిగితే నేను మేడం గారిని డైరెక్ట్గా అడుగుతాను, ఓకేనా? ఇక స్కానెక్స్ అనేది దానికోసమేనండి, దానిలోనే ఉంటుంది. మీరు చూడండి, మీరు స్కాన్ చేసేటప్పుడే అక్కడ ధన్ అని, ఆప్షన్ ట్రేడర్ అని, స్కానెక్స్ అని కూడా వస్తుంది. సేమ్ మీ ధన్ యాప్తోనే దాన్ని స్కాన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
यस, ऑल्सो जस्ट वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन। आपको जितने भी हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के बारे में हमने बताया, बीट धन, बीट ऑप्शन ट्रेडर, बीट स्कैनेक्स, हमारे कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे देर आर नो थर्ड पार्टी इंटीग्रेशन। जितने प्रोडक्ट्स है वो इन हाउस हमने डेटा यूज करके बिल्ड किए हैं। ओके, सो वॉट एवर प्रोडक्ट यू सी इज बाय मेड बाय धन फॉर आर क्लाइंट्स। ओके, so we have not integrated any ready-made product on the platform and given you any information. All of the experience and the research is built by our own team.
ఇంకేమైనా
Are
క్వశ్చన్స్
there
ఏమైనా ఉంటారు?
are there any parameters to get MTF? So there are no parameters. You need to have minimum margin available in your in your Demat account, and so basis that आपको leverage मिलेगा. So for example, I had 3,000 rupees in my Demat account, and basis that I was getting the leverage. Okay, so that is how it is. So whatever money you will have in on your Demat account, आपको उसके ऊपर leverage मिलेगा. Language not understand, please translate. Telugu, Daniel sir. So
Yes,
Daniel,
sir.
I'll request you to help Naresh out with the details of this. I'll pass on necessary information to you. I think the team will pass on all of the interest rates that you can surely explain.
आई हैव मैम, वो चार्ट सब में मेरे पास है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
Okay, okay, cool, all cool. So Naresh, I'll request you to get in, just speak with Daniel once, and वो आपको समझा देंगे. When Dhan will square off MTF position automatically in case our share price will go down. Yes, so this is a decision a broker has to make. अगर आपका जो भी position है वहाँ पे अगर 20% से ज़्यादा down जाता है, तो Dhan definitely informs you through notifications and emails that we will be squaring that off. Okay, can I open an account from overseas? NRI account opening अभी available नहीं है, so it is in process. Surely in some time we'll be able to find.
ఇంకేమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే తెలుగులో కూడా అడగొచ్చు, ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు.
MTF is not applicable on options selling and equity selling. Options for options, yeah, the MTF is not available for derivatives and selling equity short selling. MTFs, ETF are two different things. MTF is basically margin trading facility where we give you margin. It's a facility where a broker gives you margin. ETF is exchange traded funds. These are something similar to mutual funds but are traded in exchange just like stocks. So these are two different things. One is an investment product and other is a leverage product. Normal account you can definitely open on Dhan if you need to have Aadhaar, PAN card, and everything, and you'll be able to get that. MTF is only for equities, yes, and that too only for buying. Can we take MTF position for ETF also? Oh, I'm sorry, Vijay, if I'm mistaken you. Yes, you can take MTF leverage on ETF positions. In fact, some of the ETFs get up to 5x leverage also. So in stocks, you may get 4.1, 4.2 leverage. But for ETF, some of the ETFs, we give around 5x of leverage. How much MTF small cap, mid cap? So any kind of stock that you are trying to buy, okay, you'll be able to see a tag on your mobile screen. Okay, it says that how much of leverage you are getting. Imagine 6 lakhs capital invest last 5 months back, but now my portfolio is minus 31%. How to use MTF? So MTF is not impacted by your portfolio. You'll need to have some minimum margin in your demat account for you to buy more stocks using MTF. Okay, given the current market conditions are, they are actually corrected and now, simply uh, trying to recover now. So it, the market conditions will make may get better sometime soon or may later, that can happen, but there is a huge correction that has happened very recently. Okay, so right now it is not impacted through your portfolio, so you just need to have margin and you can start with MTF. Just make sure that you don't end up making more losses, because in that case you'll have to bear the losses plus all the charges plus the interest charges. Okay, so that please be very aware and mindful of that. Calculated risk के साथ आप करेंगे तो you'll be able to make money because of this also. सेलिंग में नहीं मिलेगा MTG, MTF, नो नो. सो सेलिंग में नहीं है. मैम, कैन वी बाय निफ्टी बीज बैंक बीज यूजिंग MTF? Yes, you'll be able to buy this using MTF. How many demat accounts can open in one PAN? One PAN, one broker, one demat account. I have demat account. How to open demat account in Grow? For anybody who wants to open a demat account in Dhan, please get in touch with Daniel. He'll help you with the demat account link, and he'll also guide you if you get stuck anywhere. Our team is there to help you out in your KYC journey. Okay. Yes, Demat account is absolutely free to open. We also don't charge AMC. We also don't charge you for investing on Dhan. So if you make any delivery trades, we will never charge you. We will not charge you for ETF delivery. We will not charge you for IPO investments. We only charge you when you make a trade on Dhan, which is intraday trade or FNO trade. Intraday trade is 20 rupees or 0.03%, whichever is lower. And for FNO, it's straight 20 rupees पर ऑर्डर. ओके, सो हम सिर्फ ट्रेडिंग पे चार्ज करेंगे. आप उसके अलावा धन के चार्ट्स यूज करें, धन के स्कैनएक्स प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करें, आप ऑप्शन ट्रेडर यूज करें, वी आर नॉट चार्जिंग यू फॉर यूजिंग एनी ऑफ आवर प्लेटफॉर्म्स. दीज प्लेटफॉर्म्स आर एब्सोल्युटली फ्री एंड अवेलेबल फॉर आवर क्लाइंट्स. Since some stocks are not applicable to MTF, this is basis exchange protocols. Okay, so exchange जितने allow करते हैं हम उस हिसाब से brokers can give you leverage. So these are basis some rules we have to make sure, because these are being abide by them. Dhan is the best platform I have ever used. Thank you so much for the feedback. We have checked all the questions. I just want to know that if there are any more questions we can take. Like cover order, shall we make trailing stop loss order also at the same time while taking position?
No.
After trailing stop loss, so you can make later once you. So this is not possible at the same time. Okay, if you would want to have something like that, you need to wait for some days. We are surely coming up with something exciting on Dhan in a month now. Is it compulsory to pledge? Yes, yes. It's a again a exchange protocol. Right now you have to do this manually, but we are soon implementing something to automate it, so you don't have to pledge also. So this will be done, directly. How to use MTF on Dhan? Uh, I've shown you. So basically, you need to just click your stock, the stock wherever you want to buy the MTF position. Open that screen, okay, and you'll be able to see one tag as MTF, pay later. Just click on that and you'll be able to make the position. We can do commodity on Dhan, yes, but MTF is not available for commodities. For intraday, do I need to pledge? No, no, no. Intraday you don't even need MTF. Intraday you generally get 5x leverage. Let's say I have 10 shares of them, have 5 MTFs. How I sell them? Only MTFs. How I sell them? Only MTFs. You can sell only MTFs. Yes, yes, you can do that. Your MTF position will be actually in a different tag in your portfolio. Okay. So you will know that how many positions of yours are by MTF and how many are actually in your portfolio already. Okay. So it will have a separate tagging. So it is very clear for you to identify and make decisions. How to set SL and target at same time after placing an order. SL and target after placing an order. You can do this in forever order case, basically forever OCO order. So while placing order, you can set in stop loss and target both. Okay. Bracket order in a case, yes, bracket order applies to your intraday position, so that you can do. If you are holding it for more than 1 day, so bracket order applies to intraday, okay. But if you wish to hold it for more days and still want it to be applicable, so you'll have to place a forever OCO order, where you put the stop loss and target at the same time. Okay. When we sell the MTF position, then it will uh, when we sell the MTF position, then it will be going reveal positions. Why? I didn't get this. Is there any limit time for MTF positions? No, you can hold your positions for unlimited period of time. I didn't understand this question. RBG Tilak. I'm sorry, I couldn't understand your question.
एक्चुअली वो आस्किंग हिम जो स्टॉक सेल करने के बाद रिवर्सल हो जाता है
We
वो
cannot do
तो
anything
डिपेंड ऑन
about it.
मार्केट कंडीशन.
Uh, Okay, great. I think we've had a good couple of questions. You all were very engaging and I could see very interesting questions. Upstocks, option charts.
या गुड क्वेश्चन.
Okay, this you'll be able to find on option chain and
Great.
advanced option chain on Dhan. Okay, Vinod, highly suggest you to check out advanced option chain on Dhan. Okay, so okay, cool. So I think Daniel, we are good to you know call this session for the day. And thank you so much everybody for joining in. I hope we have you have understood everything about MTF. In case you didn't, and if you still have any questions, you can definitely reach out to us through our support team, through Daniel, of course. And and if you need any help, we are here to help you out. Do we have any training? One second. I'm
या
just
या
taking last few questions. Do we
यस
have
यस.
any training video placed about all Dhan modules on Dhan? So basically, you just need to follow our YouTube channel and you'll find literally everything. Okay, you'll even find some strategies where you can use MTF. You'll find a lot of learning content, lot of strategies. These videos are made by a SEBI registered analyst. So this person can help you in your trading journey. Plus, you'll get all the videos, walkthroughs of the features on Dhan. Okay, so just go to our YouTube channel and you'll be able to find those. Okay. Uh,
యా తిలక్ గారు ఒక మీరు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తున్నాను.
okay.
వెయిట్ మ్యామ్, వన్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ ఆన్సర్.
Sure,
యాక్చువల్లీ
sure.
ఏదైతే మనము డెలివరీ కానీ లేదంటే ఎంటీఎఫ్ లో కానీ తీసుకుంటే అది డెలివరీ స్టాక్స్ తో సమానం. అవి వన్స్ మనం సెల్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుందంటే అది డైరెక్ట్ గా రోజంతా కూడా మనకు పొజిషన్ లో చూపిస్తుంది, కానీ దాని నుండి వచ్చేటువంటి ప్రాఫిట్ కానీ లాస్ కానీ మనకు అప్లికేబుల్ కాదు అది. ఒకసారి మీరు ఎగ్జిట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఏదైతే ప్రాఫిట్ తో కానీ లాస్ తో కానీ ఎగ్జిట్ అవుతున్నారో అది మాత్రమే మనకి అప్లికేబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ఏదైతే చూపిస్తుందో అది ఆఫ్టర్ మార్కెట్ క్లోజింగ్ వరకు అట్లానే అది ట్రేడ్ అవుతుంది. బట్ దానివల్ల మనకి ఎటువంటి ఉపయోగం లేదు, లాస్ కూడా ఉండదు. సో వన్స్ మీరు ఎగ్జిట్ అయ్యారంటే ఎగ్జిట్ అయినప్పుడు ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ మాత్రమే మనది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay, thank you so much, Daniel, for that. So anybody who was asking about, any modules on Dhan, so you'll be able to see a lot of modules. So there is one algo series that is happening for anybody who is interested into, using Dhan APIs and building algos. This is the person who is explaining this. Uh, this is Himanshu, who is a SEBI registered analyst who actually teaches a lot of things on Dhan platform. Plus, this has a lot of market insights and data and a lot of strategies. So these are couple of videos that actually help you in understanding markets better. This These kind of videos are basically our product updates. Okay, anything that is new happening on Dhan, you'll be able to see some of the videos on Dhan. So this is basically the margin trading update that we have put. Okay, so this is how we put a lot of other feature updates directly on our YouTube channel. So you just need to follow YouTube channel and Twitter platform for you to be updated on what's happening in Dhan, what's new on Dhan. And I'll surely tell you that, keep an eye this month. We have really exciting thing that is coming up. Can we book order stop loss at the same time in chart before the order? Right now you can't, but there'll be soon something here out on this. Okay, thank you so much, everybody, for joining in and being patient throughout the session. Okay, and if you have any questions, do reach out to Daniel and us directly. We are here to help.
ఎస్, ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే నన్ను అడగొచ్చు డైరెక్ట్గా. నేను కూడా కొన్ని చార్ట్స్ మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను. అందులో ఆల్మోస్ట్ మీకు అర్థమయ్యేటువంటి చార్ట్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఉన్నాయి. నేను పంపిస్తాను గ్రూప్లో, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వైశాలి.
Thank you so much, everybody. Have a good evening. Bye bye.